Good morning, Year 5. It is Mrs. Osborne here to run you through your vocabulary lesson for week 4. Now, as I said, occasion is one of our focus words for this week, and I thought it'd be fun to just unpick where that word originates from. So the word occasion, which starts with the prefix OC, and in this it means towards, and the latter part of the word is Latin meaning to fall. Now, occasion comes from the root word of occur, but for occur, the prefix actually means to meet, and then the Latin means running. And then you can add another suffix to occasion and make it occasionally. Again, that prefix stays as towards, and the Latin is to fall, and that end suffix means at intervals. So it's just quite interesting to think about these words and actually think about where they're derived from. These are your focus words for this week. Just have a read of these words and think about what you notice about these words. So we have occur, occasion, occasionally, oppose, opposition, object, objection, oblige, and obligation. Feel free to pause the video here if you would like to use your own dictionary skills to look up any of these words, or if you'd like to discuss these words with someone in your house. As the next slide we go to will have the definitions. These are our definitions for our focus words. If you did challenge yourself and use your own dictionary skills to look up these words, are they exactly the same definitions? Did you find different definitions? What did you find challenging about finding these words in the dictionary? Now, these prefixes also originate from the Latin ob, which means towards, against, in the way of. Now, these three prefixes have the following 5 definitions that you can go through that help with the root word. Your activity for this week is to use your focus words to make sense of these sentences. So you need to write the correct word into the gap. Feel free to pause the video now so that you can have a go at this slide, and you're using the word occasion or occasionally. You're doing the same activity for this slide, but the words have just changed. So writing the word into that sentence so that sentence makes sense. And your last slide, where you're looking at the word object or objection and looking at your sentences and picking which of those words you would use. Now, this is a little bit of a challenge. What we'd like you to do is look at the words on the right. Can you sort those phrases into one of the 3 boxes? So this is a little bit of an extension and a little bit of fun to think about those phrases and where you would put them into the boxes. I hope you had a nice morning with your vocab and your focus words. Please try and use these words in your speech and in your written work during the week. Thanks so much. Bye for now.